Hey everyone, and welcome back to the world of AI. Buckle up because we are diving into the hype surrounding Meta's upcoming AI model, LLaMA 3. Will it outsmart the competition and usher in a new era of AI? Let's break down the claim and see if it lives up to the buzz. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for our exclusive AI tools workshop. It will equip you to navigate this exciting field.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
Meta stands at the forefront of the next wave in artificial intelligence, aiming to redefine the landscape with the introduction of LLaMA 3 in July. The ambitious endeavor marks a significant milestone not just for Meta, but for the entire AI community. The company seeks to outshine rivals like OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Google's Gemini with a model that's more responsive, nuanced, and equipped with better multimodal capabilities. Under the leadership of CEO Mark Zuckerberg, Meta's generative AI group is enhancing user engagement across its platforms and refining the model to adaptly handle complex image-based queries, demonstrating a commitment to balancing technological advancement with ethical AI development considerations. Meta LLaMA 3 isn't merely an incremental addition to AI sphere. It represents a substantial leap toward more sophisticated and safer AI interaction. While OpenAI has been making strides with its text-to-video generation model Sora, and Google's Gemini has faced criticism for its cautious approach, Meta's strategy with LLaMA 3 emphasizes nuanced handling of contentious questions, offering context rather than evading or simplifying responses. This strategic enhancement underscores Meta's ambition not just to compete but to lead in the AI race, setting new benchmarks for what AI can achieve in the digital communication. Instead of just looking for the best AI, what if they work together? Imagine them combining their strengths to do even cooler things. The real power lies in human and AI working side by side. Join our AI tools workshop, learn how to use different AI tools like ChatGPT 4, Gemini, and maybe even future models like LLaMA 3. We will also talk about how to use AI safely and responsibly. Click the link below to join. Under the leadership of Mark Zuckerberg, Meta's LLaMA 3 represents a substantial leap forward in AI sophistication, emphasizing nuanced responses and context over evasion, setting new benchmarks for digital communication. With a broader strategy focused on enriching social media experiences and a commitment to open source development, Meta's vision for LLaMA 3 hints a future where AI seamlessly integrates with advanced technologies. Despite challenges, Meta's proactive approach and substantial investments indicate a deliberate stride towards realizing long-term AI goals. LLaMA 3's potential to set new standards for safety and engagement in the digital experiences reflect profound implications for the future of AI and communications, making a significant milestone in Meta's journey towards a smarter and more responsible AI for all. Unlike previous versions, Meta plans to make LLaMA 3 fully open source. This allows researchers, developers, and enthusiasts to access and build upon the model, potentially accelerating innovation across the AI ecosystem. Meta's significant investment in training infrastructure, including a massive number of GPUs, indicates its commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI. These resources will enable more robust training for future models like LLaMA 3, potentially leading to the superior performance. The emphasis on context and understanding suggests a future where AI can effectively mimic humans' conversations, remember more information, and process a broader range of data. This paves the way for more natural and engaging interactions between humans and AI. Meta's new LLaMA 3 AI is a significant step forward, focusing on better and safer technology that everyone can use. It showcases Meta's leadership in making AI smarter and more responsible for everyone's benefit. That concludes our video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. And most importantly, check out the link in the description to join our AI tools workshop and become an AI pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.